Amazing facts about deer. Deer are among the most fascinating and graceful animals in the world. Known for their beauty, agility, and adaptability, these creatures have captured the attention of humans for centuries. They are found in many parts of the world, from dense forests and grasslands to mountains and even deserts. With over 40 species, deer come in various shapes and sizes, and each has its own unique characteristics. In this article, we will explore the amazing facts about deer, covering their physical traits, behavior, habitats, diet, and cultural significance. Physical characteristics of deer. One of the most notable features of deer is their antlers. Unlike horns, which are permanent, antlers are made of bone and are shed and regrown each year. This regeneration is one of the fastest-growing tissues in the animal kingdom. Antlers are mostly found in male deer, though in some species, like reindeer caribou, both males and females have them. Antlers are used not only for defense but also for attracting mates during the breeding season. Deer also have slender, long legs built for running. Their strong muscles allow them to leap great distances and escape predators. They are incredibly fast, with some species reaching speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. In addition to speed, their ability to make sudden turns helps them evade danger in forests or open fields. Their eyes are located on the sides of their heads, giving them a wide field of vision. This helps them detect predators from a distance. Deer also have excellent hearing and a strong sense of smell, making them alert and cautious animals. Habitat and distribution. Deer are highly adaptable animals. They are found on almost every continent except Antarctica and Australia. North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of South America have the highest populations of deer. Each species adapts to its surroundings. For example, the white-tailed deer is common in North America and thrives in forests, grasslands, and farmlands. The moose, the largest member of the deer family, lives in colder regions and is often found near lakes and rivers. The roe deer is native to Europe and Asia, often seen in woodlands and agricultural fields. The reindeer or caribou inhabits Arctic regions, migrating long distances for food. Their adaptability allows deer to survive in diverse climates, from freezing tundras to tropical forests. Diet and feeding habits. Deer are herbivores, meaning they feed on plants. Their diet mainly consists of grass, leaves, twigs, fruits, acorns, nuts, and sometimes bark. Depending on the season, their food sources change. In spring and summer, they graze on fresh green vegetation, while in autumn they consume nuts and acorns to build fat reserves for winter. Deer have a special digestive system similar to cows. They are ruminants, which means they have a four-chambered stomach. They first swallow food quickly and later regurgitate it as cud to chew again. This process helps them digest tough plant material efficiently. Social behavior. Deer are social animals and often live in groups called herds. Living in herds provides safety, as many eyes can watch for predators. However, the size of herds varies by species. Some, like white-tailed deer, live in small family groups, while others, such as caribou, migrate in massive herds of thousands. During the mating season, known as the rut, males become more aggressive. They fight with other males using their antlers to win dominance and the right to mate with females. These fights can be intense but rarely end in death. Communication among deer is fascinating. They use body language, vocal sounds, and scent markings to interact. For example, a deer may stomp its foot as a warning signal to others when it senses danger. Reproduction and life cycle. The breeding season usually takes place in autumn. After mating, females called does carry their young for about 6 to 8 months. Most deer give birth in spring when food is abundant. A female usually gives birth to 1 or 2 fawns. Fawns are born with white spots on their fur, which act as camouflage, blending them into the forest floor. Interestingly, newborn fawns have little scent, making it harder for predators to detect them. Mothers leave their fawns hidden in tall grass while they feed and return periodically to nurse them. As fawns grow, they start joining the herd and learn survival skills from their mothers. Most deer live between 10 to 20 years, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Predators and threats. Deer face many natural predators, including wolves, tigers, leopards, bears, and cougars. In some regions, eagles and crocodiles may also prey on young fawns. However, the biggest threat to deer today is humans. Hunting, deforestation, and habitat loss have drastically reduced some deer populations. In many cultures, deer are hunted for their meat, venison, hides, and antlers. However, conservation efforts are being made worldwide to protect endangered species of deer, such as the Pur David's deer in China and the Kashmir red deer in India. Amazing facts about deer. 1. Antler growth. Deer antlers can grow up to 2.5 centimeters 1 inch per day during peak season. 2. Swimming ability. Many deer are excellent swimmers. Moose, for instance, can swim for miles and even dive underwater. 3. Silent runners. Deer have specialized hooves that allow them to move quietly through forests, helping them escape predators. 4. Migratory journeys. Caribou make one of the longest land migrations of any mammal, traveling more than 3,000 miles a year. 5. Night vision. Deer eyes have a reflective layer, tapetum lucidum, giving them excellent night vision. 6. Cultural symbolism. Deer are symbols of peace, gentleness, and beauty in many cultures. In mythology, they are often associated with spiritual guides. 7. Color-changing coat. Some deer species, like the white-tailed deer, change the color of their coat with the seasons, reddish in summer and grayish in winter. Deer in human culture. Deer hold a special place in human culture and history. They appear in art, folklore, and religion. In Native American traditions, deer symbolize gentleness and kindness. In Celtic mythology, they represent purity and connection with nature. In Hinduism, the god Shiva is sometimes depicted with a deer. In modern times, deer are also popular in literature and film. One of the most famous deer characters is Bambi, which has introduced millions of children to the beauty and struggles of wildlife. Conclusion. Deer are truly remarkable animals, admired for their elegance, intelligence, and adaptability. From their fascinating antlers and keen senses to their social behavior and cultural importance, deer continue to inspire humans. However, with increasing human activity and habitat destruction, it is our responsibility to protect these gentle creatures. By learning more about deer and